let me show you how to merge layers to flatten your image. You will have to select more than one layer. You can do it here in your artboard just by using mouse and selecting objects just like that, or if you prefer to select from the layer panel directly, just hold shift and then you can select them one by one. Alright, I got 3 layers selected. I just right click in the layer panel and you will see new feature, merge. If you cannot see option to merge, means you did not select multiple layers. Alright, so once again undo, select them here on the artboard or in the layer panel, up to you, and then right click in the layer panel and merge, and this way you flatten all of those layers into just one pixel based layer now. So I cannot edit this text anymore, and this is not a vector shape anymore. Everything is rasterized into a flat image. Alright, I hope this will be helpful. See you in the next one.